I am Dr. Balu Kolar, MD in Ayurveda. I have loads of experience in research and development on natural products and practice of alternative medicines. And today, I am going to tell you all about an exceptional product from Indus Viva, iPulse. iPulse is a concentrate of 15 fruits in juice form. The driving force behind iPulse is the presence of an antioxidant ingredient, acai berry. Acai berry is arguably the best antioxidant available in the world today. Acai berry is indigenous to the forests of South America, where it is consumed as a dietary supplement by the tribal people since ages. Acai berry is also #1 immunomodulator support available in the world. There are more than 60 scientific studies which indicate antioxidant benefits of acai berry. There are lots of preclinical and clinical trials which indicate the anti-cancer benefits of acai berry as well. There is a space drink which is developed by the NASA in the US, wherein the acai berry is an active ingredient which has prevented the skin cancers from radiation in astronauts. This is what makes iPulse an exceptional formulation available in the market for antioxidant benefits. What are these antioxidants? Let me tell you a simple example. When you cut open a red apple into 2 pieces and expose it to air, after some time it turns brown. This is because the oxygen available in the atmosphere reacts with the flesh of the apple, making it brown. This reaction is called as oxidation. Similar thing happens in the human body. As we respire air inside, the oxygen actually causes oxidation every minute in the body. But the human body also has some amount of antioxidants which can counteract this oxidation. The byproducts which are released during this reaction are called as free radicals. Free radicals are atoms with an unpaired electron in the outer orbit. These free radicals are generated because of external factors like the stress, environmental changes, addictions like alcohol addiction, smoking, as well as pollution. iPulse also has a host of other benefits. It relieves inflammation, fights bacteria, fights viruses, strengthens memory, improves mental clarity, fights cellular mutation, helps reduce the risk of cancer, combats harmful effects of diabetes. It strengthens the vision, strengthens the heart, reduces the cholesterol level, and inhibits platelet aggregation. It also helps in prostate enlargement, provides essential fatty acids, provides essential oils, it helps in digestion, and it is also useful in conditions like varicose veins, piles or hemorrhoids, and increased uric acid conditions like gout. iPulse is 100% natural and can be consumed by all age groups. For best results, consume 30 ml of iPulse in the morning, half an hour before breakfast, and 30 ml of iPulse in the night, half an hour before dinner. iPulse can be safely consumed by people with diabetes and hypertension. iPulse can be consumed for longer periods of time and along with other medicines also, as it is 100% safe and free from side effects. Consume iPulse for a happy and healthy life.